This is Dibbo and why is
Nippie.
Later. Okay. Dibbo and
Nippie.
So
He's
I'm always a crewmate. So yeah. Insert card. This is easy. Oh wait, why'd I do that? I don't like it with the noises, but Nippy wants me to play with the noises. So.
But yeah.
Da-da-da.
Mr. Imposter's gonna kill you in 2 seconds. Imposter's move.
Who's the imposter? I want to know. Knife.
It's a knife.
Wait, what if I do this and make people think I'm like an imposter or something? I don't know. Oh, I feel like Wizard Man. Oh wait, I thought I died. I have no clue what to say.
Say where.
Dude.
Say where.
I think it's brown. I meant not brown, orange.
Orange goes Sunday. Sus dude.
Wait.
Sus dude is sus.
I feel like, yeah, I think orange is it.
Orange.
Orange?
Orange.
I think.
Orange.
Maybe.
Orange.
Maybe orange. Yeah.
You haven't even seen orange in the game.
I know, but orange is just a bit suspicious. Just because his name is sus in it.
Just because his name is Sus Boy?
It's sus dude.
Dibbo, vote.
You know what? Fine.
No.
Wait, why did this guy actually listen to me?
Poppy, okay.
Why did somebody vote for Freddy?
Right.
What did Freddy ever do?
What did Freddy do?
Okay, can you stop?
Task completed. Wizardman's gonna kill you now.
Oh yeah, he was chasing me earlier. It might be him actually. I really wish I did. Okay, can you be quiet for a second? Okay.
That noise is so good.
It's a bit weird. Why do you make me play with the noise? I'm not gonna scan just yet. Okay.
You can't even scan.
I thought I could, but okay, I'm gonna pull up my test. Oh wait, let me go to the boiler room. Fill canisters. Where are the canisters? Oh, they're over there. Why does this guy want to lock me up that bad?
Go that way.
Why?
You know that thing what makes that like smoke thing? Yeah, that thing.
Yeah.
Here, you can.
Dude, I think it's Wizard Man.
Run.
I'm gonna get this one. Oh wait, the guy got that. Dude, I think it might be yellow. He's chasing me. Okay.
Wizard Man.
Yeah, I think it's Wizard Man.
Go to that smoke place. I know why it's.
I don't know why I'm gonna do this, but I am. Look at what I'm gonna do.
You're gonna act.
What?
You're acting skak.
I think purple.
Purple. Lime sus. Everybody's thinking it's
You trapped me.
What? How is trapped a bad word?
I don't know. Why does everybody think it's me? I think it's purple and yellow. Or orange. Why does everybody think it's me? The only person who listens to me is orange. Oh wait, this is the secret mode where you can't see if they're a killer or not. Dude, why didn't they listen to me? I think it's actually purple though. I think it's purple and yellow. Even though yellow didn't kill me there.
I'm gonna go play Minecraft.
Huh?
I'm gonna go play Minecraft.
No dude, let's just do this right now. Let's just make the video first.
Bye.
Can I make the video first? Okay, well, I guess Nippie is gone, so it's just me. So Nippie is me playing Minecraft, and I am doing this. It won't let me do this thing. How do you do this? Oh wait, do you put this in here? Is that really all you do? Wait, who is it? Asking the dead people, who is it?
Dead people love to be dead. It's not me. It's pink.
Yeah, this guy's saying orange. I don't think it's Kate. I think it's orange and black, or orange and purple, or yellow and purple, or yellow and black. One of those.
Mr. Zibbo. I'm gonna stand on you.
Don't do that. That's kind of annoying, you know.
Let's go. Oh jeez. Oh my god.
You get to fall.
Oh my god. No, stop.
Okay. That's what you get. Oh no, we lose, don't we?
Don't we lose? Because we're so bad.
You're not bad.
Yeah, we're bad against.
You know what? You can. Feel like
What TV isn't on, bud?
you can play on the phone with me on Nippie account.
Nippie. This thing? This thingy? Is it this thing? This thingy?
Hey, so how do you do this thing? How do you do this mission?
You just keep on doing this?
Do you just yeah, I think that's what you do.
Is this the phone?
That's all you do?
Is this what you've got to do?
This doesn't have the battery, see?
Then
Oh wait, Wizard Man died, which means he wasn't a killer.
it's sus, dude.
Wait, that means Pink was probably a killer. It's either Sus Dude, Black Roan, or the yellow. I thought all 4 of these Wizard Man and the 3 who are alive were the killers from the start. One of those 4
I think it's
were
orange.
the killers.
Freddy left the game. Lol, GG.
Wait, they knew it was you. Oh, wait. Wait, who was the killer? Yeah, it was Sus Dude. Dude, I knew it was Sus Dude. Yeah, okay, so it's Sus Dude and who are the killers? Wait, it wasn't Pink. Oh, we didn't get to know. Why did everybody think I was the killer though?